In this vlog, we will see how to rectify an issue when you are not able to run a simple command Flutter Doctor in your terminal. You might notice this issue. So here we need to export the path. In this particular system, I am running it on Mac. So due to the Catalina OS update, I was facing this issue. So try to export the path here. Do the same in your system and try to run the command again. This time for sure you will be able to run the command successfully. So this path is where my Flutter SDK is present. It is currently in the downloads folder. So depending upon your path, you just alter this statement and try to run this in the terminal, and for sure your commands will again start to work as normal. You can see in my case. And if you are still facing any issue, please do let us know in the comment section below.